Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're talking about how to look up a tax identification number, a question that can be a bit tricky because of privacy and security. A tax ID is a unique 9-digit number used by the IRS to identify individuals and businesses for tax purposes. For individuals, this is usually your Social Security number, SSN, or an individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN. For businesses, it's an employer identification number, EIN. You can't just search for someone else's personal SSN online for obvious security reasons, but you do have options for finding your own number or a business's EIN. Let's break it down. First, if you need to find your own personal tax ID, like your SSN, the best place to look is on documents you already have. Your Social Security card is the most direct source. If you can't find it, check the top of your previous year's tax return, Form 1040. Your SSN will be clearly listed there. Other places to look include a W-2 form from your employer, a 1099 form if you're a contractor, or even a statement from the Social Security Administration. If you've exhausted all these options and still can't find it, you'll need to contact the Social Security Administration directly to request a replacement card, but be prepared to prove your identity. Now, let's talk about finding a business's EIN. This is sometimes easier because business information can be more public. The simplest and most professional way to get a company's EIN is to just ask for it. If you are paying a business for services, you can request they fill out a Form W-9, which will have their name, address, and EIN. If you can't ask directly, you may have other options, especially for larger organizations. For publicly traded companies, you can often find the EIN in their financial reports filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. Look for their annual 10-K report on the SEC's EDGAR database. For non-profit organizations, their EIN is usually public information. You can search for it using the IRS's tax-exempt organization search tool on their website. A final word of caution: be very wary of any third-party websites that claim to be able to look up any tax ID for a fee. These are often scams or just charge you for information that is already publicly available for free. Always go to the official source, like your own documents, the business itself, or a government agency like the IRS or SEC. Protecting this information is critical to preventing identity theft. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more straightforward financial tips and guides.